If you want to take photos like this, then you need this lens. The 24-240 is the best lens money can buy right now. Like, hands down. It's just so versatile. It can shoot anything from landscapes to portraits to video to cars or whatever. It can shoot all of it. It's quick, it's sharp, it's clean. It can handle just about anything you throw at it. This lens features dynamic IS, or in other words, internal stabilization. This camera lens has the internal stabilization inside of it, which helps shoot in your low light, your nighttime. It just helps steady things out just a little bit. You don't notice it unless you're actively looking for it. But even then, it does a really good job at keeping those photos nice and just sharp and clean and looking really good. And on top of that, it's got a control ring on the front of it, so you can just spin it. You can connect it to either your f-stop, your shutter speed, your aperture, whatever you want. You can program the camera to do it for that ring. So as you're shooting, you need to bump up your aperture. You just spin it, locks it right up, higher, lower, whatever you need. It's got it taken care of for you, just all on the ring, instead of having to go back on the camera and adjusting it and trying to figure it out from there. It takes a lot longer that way. But with the ring, you can just rotate, keep going like nothing happened. So I know today's video was pretty short, but if you guys want to check this lens out, I'll have it linked down below for you. You can go click on it, take a look, see what it's like. Look at the reviews. I like it. I think it's a 5 out of 5. That's just my opinion. Be sure, if you get it, let me know what you think down in the comments. Be like, yo, great lens, I liked it, or didn't hold up to what I thought, but let me know. I'd love to hear. I think this is the only lens I'll ever need. Like 24-240 covers all my bases. I mean, why wouldn't you want to get it? And it's kind of a budget lens if you think about it, because if you look at the holy trinity of lenses, depending on your camera, if you want that, you're looking at $3,000 or so. Just in it's almost $1,000 a lens, depending on your camera and what one you're getting. But with this one, it's only $1,000. 3 lenses for $3,000, or 1 lens at $1,000. Just depends on how you're looking at it. So I'll have it linked down below. Thanks so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that cool stuff, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.